Okay, we are back. Checking this paint here. It's good and dry. Now we're going to put another coat. This one will go a little bit thicker. That white you see in there will fade out when it dries. Scared the hell out of me the first time. It goes away. I ain't worried about it. I'm overlapping about 75% because I want good coverage. I want it wet so it kind of has time to level. I don't know if you can see the can in the gloss already. I can read the can. This is the first coat of clear after the light coat. This one can will do this whole panel. I ended up using 2 cans of the red. Only because of the repair areas I had to do. There's some spots around these edges. I go heavy on the edges. In case when I'm color sanding, I get carried away. Okay, and I still got about a half a can left. That'll let me do about 2 more coats, probably 3. And you can already see the, now again, it is not bright in this room, in this shop. You can already see the shine in there. Get up here where it's a little bit brighter. You can see some of the orange peel. That will come out in the color sand. Much better than it was. And the color sand, we'll start it out with some 1000. Go over it with 1000. Come back with some 2000, 5000, and then 10,000. And then we'll start the cut and buff. While that's curing a little bit, my first polish is MEGUIAR'S Mirror Glaze #1. That really cuts down the what is wrong with my leather cleaner? I think my leather cleaner's got a hole in it. I have to figure out what's wrong with there. Then after that I come back with #2. That cleans it up really good. And then I come back with Ultimate Compound. Yeah, I know I'm not using these as directed, but I find it works. And then the Ultimate Polish. And by the time I get to Ultimate Polish, all the orange peels are gone. So, anyway. Again, if you look back at the very first video I posted about a year ago when I first got the car, you can see how really bad the clear coat was. This was all nothing but base coat. Clear coat was all gone. All this was gone around the edges. This was all gone. The hood was half base coat, clear coat peeling. I could literally drive down the road and clear coat would go flaking off. So this is a much better finish than what it had. It is not perfect, but it is better. And I will be back in about 10 minutes for a second coat. Okay, we are back for the next coat. It's been about 14-15 minutes. I'll start at the edges. We're going to really kind of go thick on with this coat. I want it to level out a lot. So I'm overlapping about 50%. Keep it moving. Again, I really pay attention to the edges, so when I start polishing I don't burn through. And I was wrong. I don't think we're going to get a fourth coat. We'll just get as much of this on there as we can. You can see the paint can in the reflection. It's coming out even better. And those white spots are showing up again, which will go away. If you got those white spots, you've got it on really thick, which is, I think it's good, but what do I know? I'm not a painter. I figure the more clear I can put on here, the better I can polish without burning through it. And I think that's going to do it. Can we see the can? Yes, we can. It hasn't cured out yet. You can read that can in this paint. Here's a little orange peel, yes. Compared to this paint, this side, you can see it, but there is nowhere that there's as much shine. This is a this side's what's left of the car I actually sprayed with the gun. I ordered a gallon of paint and a gallon of clear and a gallon of primer and did the whole weekend thing, and it just would not shine out. Like I said, I get better results from a spray can. You can see me in there, and it hasn't dried. It's still wet. There's some white there. That's the cloudy and the clear. It will go away. I believe that's air in the clear. It'll go away when it cures out. So, whoops. We'll let that set for several hours. I'm going to pull it out in the sun so it'll dry a little bit better. We got a slight breeze. I'm going to wait till it's not as tacky, so nothing gets caught in it. But about 30 minutes, I'll pull it out into the driveway of the sun. Let it cure out even more. I will not start polishing it and cutting it and color sanding it again until about 2 days. I want to make sure it's fully cured out and I don't hit any soft spots. And it gets really hard and it takes a while. But those steps will be coming. So that's the procedure I've been using. Again, we switch again here. Again, it's a bright day, so you cannot see this. This was done about 4 days ago. You can't see it very well. This door is in the same spot that back fender is now. It needs to be color sanded. You can see the orange peel. There's no orange peel here. Maybe a little bit more polishing. I haven't polished this yet. The door will be next, and again, we're on to the rear panel now. So we will let that cure, and we'll come back in a couple days and start color sanding. See you then.